Hey guys, it's Tony here. I just wanted to do a quick PLTR TA for you guys. Um, actually starting from, let's start with the day chart, right? As of right now, the day chart is looking pretty bearish. It does look like we're going to be trailing down a little bit, but bearish movement is starting to die down. And we actually retested this 2234 level. Um, Let me see if I can find, man, if anybody knows where I can actually find like a pointer on TradingView, I would be infinitely grateful to you guys, because it's super hard to like let you guys know and with like my finger and stuff, right? What about a brush? Can I do a brush? No, man, I don't want to use a brush, dude. Can I just do this? No, I don't want to use a brush. Anyways, let me see if I can find something to kind of point. I guess I'll just use the regular thingy. So as you guys can see, this little dot, we've actually had pretty strong support along this line, right? You guys see support being held here, here, and here. We did bounce off this level, went up, and as of right now on the MACD and on the stochastic, we can see that bearish movement is dying. The last time we were at this level for the stochastic was actually right back when it IPO'd. You guys can see this huge shot that we did from $9 all the way up to 20. Well, the high point was about $33.34, right, which is a 261% increase. It was a movement of about, it was a movement of 24 points. Usually that happens when if we can average out, because we like to go by averages on and past history of results, right? So if we do rally the same way as before, I do think we'll rally another 24 points from here, just from previous, previous lows to previous highs, kind of matching it up here. We'll do from here to $24 and what was it, like 10 cents or whatever, 1 2 3 4, somewhere like around there, right? So what was it, 24.10, 24.17? That's perfectly fine, right? That happened in 37 days. This might actually, let's move this 37, so 36, 37, like right here. So if this does happen again, and if we do keep track on what happened last time, the stochastic actually broke on the bullish side. The day chart is actually weakening on the bearish side, and I do expect us to start going all the way back up. As you guys can see, the next stop, if this actually works, if we actually hit, would be about $47. On the 4-hour chart, we are about to actually break the 4-hour MACD to the upside, and we actually created a bottom on the stochastic, and it does look like PLTR is holding up pretty well, and holding up bottoms and tops when it comes to looking at the stochastic right now, right? So that's why I'm pretty bullish on the upward side. On the hour chart, it does look like we created a small top. I really doubt that's going to be the top, especially because we're here in the bottoms and the 4-hour MACD is about to break towards the upside, right? As of right now, I am pretty bullish on PLTR, especially with the event coming up, with the demo that PLTR has coming up. I think January, late January, January 27th. I don't know. I don't remember what date. But I mean, I'm completely bullish right now. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I am extremely bullish on PLTR right now. It does look like we're moving towards the upside. You guys know how, I don't usually use Fibonacci to kind of determine where we are headed towards the upside. I only like using it when it comes to fibs. When it comes to IPOs, because you really can't gauge the movement from IPOs, because, well, they don't have any history, right? You guys know that I like going about it with like history and stuff, and IPOs, well, they don't have a lot of history to kind of go by. So, what is this? 916, right? So let's do that. 916. Yeah, so currently right now we are on the 618 level. I do think we're going to break that. I do think we're going to go back up to the to the $28 level, break that. I do think we're going to break previous highs of $33.27. And you know what? The forecast that I had for the previous average of running up from here to the previous highs and then doing another 24 points would have put us right below that 1.618 level on the fib. So, I'm extremely I don't like to say where I can kind of determine what the lows and highs are going to be, the potential, but it does look like I'm pretty right. So, it was 24 something, right? It was like $24 and something cents where we rallied from here to here. So actually, let's go back and do that, right? The only thing that I hate is doing this all over again, bro. I should have just kind of kept it, right? So actually, let's go back. Let's go back to our forecast. We actually went from lows here, this level, to highs, like around there. See, rallied 33 points in like 37 days, right? Let's do that. 24 points, 31 cents. We'll do the same thing, 24 points, 31 cents, like around that level, right? Let's do that. See, I'm telling you, straight from the bottom all the way to the top, it's basically the same move that we did from before, the same move that we did from right when we blasted off to that high of 33.40. So I'm definitely bullish on PLTR. I do think our next stop, if all metrics hit, we're going to be stopping at $46.87. It's consistent with the fibs even before I even tried it, you know. So I do think next stop is going to be 46.87 from here, and I do think we're going to hit that you know, that 46.87 around the next like 30 something odd days, right? So 25, 26, 28, whatever, somewhere like right here. Let me see if that's consistent. So where would be 37 days from now? Man, I can't even see the chart right here, bro. So let's see, 36, we'll do that. So it would be February 9th. So by February 10th, like mid-February, February, I do think we're going to be getting close to that $50 level. You know, the fibs are supporting it. The one-day chart is supporting it if we break to the bullish side. If you guys are buying calls or shares, if you guys have shares, just hold. If you guys are looking at buying calls, I think right now is the perfect time to buy PLTR calls about a month out. Extremely bullish. I do think the bottom right now is we just went from the bottom of that 22.34 level. That's going to be the bottom support. I do not think we're going to break that anymore unless there's some horrible news and PLTR ends up, you know, being in charge or being like the lead company that's like, I don't know, fucking killing people or trafficking kids, you know, God, never, right? Or selling drugs, something. Unless they're caught up in some like ridiculous bad scheme, I do think next stop for PLTR is going to be around $47, close to $50 mark. Just from looking at the fibs, just from looking at support, just from looking at previous day bull runs. You know, recently looking at bull runs, you know, that last bull run lasted a long while. You know, I don't want to go back and count days, but it did last a really long time. So I do think that like mid-February, we're gonna be getting really, really close to that $50 level. I just kind of, I mean, just the charts support that movement up. Especially with that event, if it actually becomes if it's actually successful, then 100% I see PLTR going up about another, where we are right now, 24. Yeah, I definitely see it doing another 100% from right now all the way up to around $47 a month from now. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.